Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Notepad++. Dark mode is a popular feature that makes the editor more comfortable to use, especially during long coding or writing sessions. First, open Notepad++ on your computer. Next, click on the Settings menu at the top of the screen and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, look at the left side and click on Dark Mode. You'll see an option called Enable Dark Mode. Click the checkbox to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, the appearance of Notepad++ will change to a dark theme. The background becomes dark, and the text colors adjust automatically. Dark mode can help reduce eye strain, especially when working at night or in low-light environments. If you want to compare the appearance, uncheck Enable Dark Mode to switch back to the light mode. Then check it again to enable dark mode. After choosing your preferred mode, click Close to save the setting and exit the Preferences window. Now return to the editor, and you can continue working in dark mode. That's it. You have successfully learned how to enable dark mode in Notepad++. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Notepad++ tutorials. See you in the next video.